gonna dig a trench for our potatoes. Okay, we're gonna try to do a straight line. Back up.
Dad, I put my potato down. That's cool. I like the wave of the dirt.
Yep. I said 6 to 8 inches deep. That's the roots. See, you go like this.
You cut the whole potato?
And there's one potato. You put it down in there like that. Okay, so see, we'll do that.
Oh, I can smell the potato from over here.
Does it smell like baked potatoes?
Yeah, is that a raw potato?
It is.
Ugh. I can smell it from over here. Can you?
Whoop. There's another one. No, you can't put them that close. Space them apart. Maybe like a foot. Like put it.
Why are they like squishy? Right here?
Right here, in between those. Yep.
Oop, I put them sideways.
Evenly spaced. Yep, now go on down. Now watch.
Look how tiny this one is.
You go like this.
Daddy, look how tiny this one is.
I see it.
We need to cut that one.
Gotta bury the potatoes. Then they call it hilling up the potatoes.
This one. Dad, he's still watching. That's one for another row.
Huh?
One for another row. Here we go.
You can space them closer.
And what we just put
2 to 6 inches.
What did we put here?
I like to plant mine a little closer. So they don't usually get that big here. Because my dirt sucks. Got our little onions here. We got carrots here. These are the same way. See how small they are? Just kind of sprinkle them in your hands. Watch what I do. I'm just trying to get this like this. See? Move your hand. I'm just sprinkling it around like this. These are our carrots. And we'll see if they grow. There's a bunch of them.
Daddy.
Okay, and then we'll just lightly spread them like this. Spread the dirt a little bit. We don't need much because they're really little seeds. And there you go.
Daddy.
Planted. So now we got our potatoes planted, our onions planted, our spring onions, and carrots. This is white Dutch clover. 1 year I had this work, and anymore I can't get it to grow. But if you can get it to grow, it worked really nice. I planted my whole garden in it, and then wherever I planted stuff, I just dug it up, and then it kept all the other weeds choked out. And then the clover just grew, and I mowed it over and made green manure, and it worked really nice and put nitrogen back in the ground. So I'm gonna try it again. Okay.